Hi guys. Today we'll try to understand one of the important charts used mostly in dashboards while showing some analysis related to regions or uh, or any kind of country zones type of analysis that we have to show on the dashboard. These are majorly shown in the form of charts or on the maps. So that's why these are called geo charts. Yeah. Now, when I'm talking about geocharts, there are various ways in which we can do it, which we'll see here. Yeah. The major reason why you use geochart is to show a map of a country, continent, or a region. The values for each location are shown with colors probably on this maps. For example, if we create a map that shows the population of countries in Europe. So let's see how a sales can be shown by country on a map. Suppose I have this data of some sales by country. I'll again remove this dollar sign just to make it simple for everyone. I'll say replace, okay, done. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to see whether in this country, which are the sales that are happening and on a map rather. So go to insert, I'll go to chart. This automatically shows a pie chart, but we want as you rightly said, we want a map chart, which are, if you go down or scroll a bit little on the chart types, on the downward side, you'll see there are two types of geochart, which are depicted in the form of maps. So this is geochart and this is geochart with markers. So markers, why? Because we depict the size of the quantum of the data in the chart itself. We'll see that. First, we'll see the map chart just to see how it looks. So here we can understand that United States is in green because it has the highest amount of sales. Yeah. Here there is a legend which has been shown. I'll again show you by the marker. You can see this legend which shows from lowest to highest. Lowest is depicted in red and gradually it goes towards green. So green is the United States being the highest generator of sales. Here we have England or we have Germany. Yes, which are shown as per the color which are provided. Red for Australia because the lowest sales. Yeah. So this is how you show sales or data on your maps, which helps you to analyze which region is doing better or which region is doing good, which will help people to relate it graphically. Now there is one thing in customized option, the chart style remains the same as we have seen in earlier chart. There is one option that gets added, which is if you want to change the minimum color to something else, I want to show it as yellow. So you can see Australia had changed it to yellow. Now, if you want to change max to some other color, I want to make it pink. Yeah. So I can change the color. Apart from that, I can concentrate on a particular map. Right now, it is giving me a world map. No, but I want to just see the map of United States. So I'll just click on United States. It will show me the map of United States. Yeah. If I want to see the map of North America, it shows it that way. If I want to see the map of Asia, it will show me the Asian map. Yes. So I can concentrate on a particular region for my analysis. Yeah, right now I'll be specific on world map because I have my country spread across the world. Yeah. So this is how you show your data on a map if you have some data which is related to countries, regions, cities, or something like that. Yes. Now let's uh, understand. Let's take one more interesting thing. Suppose I want to see the coffee production by region. Yes, again, I'll go to the map section. Yes, it is showing me this bar charts, but I do not want it. I want chart type. Again, I'll go to map, geo chart, and here you are. That's it. It's hardly taking much of your time where you can show graphs in such a beautiful way when you are talking about regions. Now, there could be a three-dimensional way in which you want to show the graphs. Show this geo graphs in the terms of size. Here it is plainly showing me whether which region is doing better. But I'm not able to understand the quantum in at which it is being higher than the other. Yes, for that, for that purpose, we use the marker chart. Now you use the geo chart with markers when you want to show data for a location using a circular marker. The marker size is based on the data for each location. So as big as the larger the data gets, the circle or the marker would be much bigger as compared to others. We'll see that. We'll see that. We'll try to understand the internet usages by country. Yes, I have some data which shows internet usages by country. Now we'll try to plot it uh, on the chart or the geo chart with marker. I'll say chart and I'll not ask bar chart, but I need the geo chart with marker. So this is what we'll check now. So geo chart with markers. Yeah, you can observe that the green one being the highest, being on the color, but again, 30% is the biggest circle among all of them. Whereas the red one, which is 0.05, which is Netherlands, which is 5%, is just shown as a red dot here. Yes. So it is one of the smallest dots on the entire map. Yeah. So this is how it shows as a size in the map. So it's giving me a three-dimensional view. It is not only showing me that the United States is highest in terms of internet usage, but it also shows me in terms of the quantum by the size of the circle by which it depicts its importance. Now, if I have to edit the chart once again and go to customize, there are again these options which we have seen earlier for geo, for changing the world map which you want to have a look at. Yes. So these are the two maps you can use in Google Sheet to make your analysis much viewable or much eye-catching to an audience where you want to show something to the audience towards towards a particular data. Yes, and this will really help you or stand you out uh, rather than showing some data in the form of bar chart or column chart. Showing bar chart in a way of countries doesn't make sense. But if I put the country in front of it and show the analysis, that looks very good. Yes. So this is how you show your geo chart. Hope you'll use this chart for your analysis or dashboards in future. Thank you so much.